Now we're continuing with questions on phonetic symbols. This is the second we are having for today. That is, today we are having the second one. Alright? Phonetic symbols. Question 1. Vowel number 3. F. So what is our answer? Now, let's start from option C. Do you pronounce this word wanted? The correct pronunciation is wanted. Meaning at this point you have an E sound. Of course we have another vowel here, but that is out of H. It's O sound. So it means this can be our answer. And then we'll come to option D, fate. Now it's a diphthong. We can't separate this from it and say that we have the answer there, because these two sounds combine to form one phonic, that is one sound. Alright, so having known that, let's look at this word. B is real. Real. That is, it has a diphthong. Take note, this word is not real, but real. Real. So this can actually also come in exam situation. If the phonetic symbol given to you is this vowel and this is provided to be your answer. But it looks so much like A. However, in A we don't pronounce it real, but re. So option A has F, re. Our answer therefore is option A. Now let's look at question 2, approximate. Now, don't jump to conclusion. In fact, sometimes we can have a situation where we won't have two options like this. Now, these two options, they are not answers because they look so much like it. This symbol, as a phonetic symbol, is different from the way they are pronounced. What you have in option A is this affricate. The same thing you have in option B. So, jam, jetty. Now, this sound is Y. In option D, you have the villa plosive. So that leaves you with option C, which has the sound yet. Fully transcribed will give you yet. So we have it here. Yet. Yip. Yet. So our answer therefore is option C. Yet. We're taking question number 3 now. We're coming back to vowel sound after looking at that consonant. Okay, let's start from option D. What is our sound in the first place? That's vowel number 11. It's a central vowel. Okay, now option D has and there's two vowel sounds, not combined though, but it tells us that the sound is not there. Never, never. Now option C, sometimes you hear people pronounce this word fake. It's not. It's pronounced as fork with the long vowel. It's different from the other vulgar word, F-U-C-K, fuck. Why this is fork, that is fuck. So there are two different words, and we do need to pronounce it as fake, not fork. Alright? Now we also move to B. This again is mispronounced in most cases. You hear people pronounce this as clerk. That word is not clerk, but clerk. It has vowel number 5, the long R sound, clerk. Alright? Now that leaves us with option A. Option A is pronounced as journal. Journal. It has the sound at this point. Journal. So our answer for question number 3 is option A, journal. There are other words with O-U-R as vowel number 11. Journal, courtesy, journal, courtesy, journey, and some other examples. Question number 4. We have the diphthong ow. Ow. Now, what is our answer If we start from D, we'll have a diphthong, but a different diphthong, L, cell. Then, okay, let's take A, status. We'll have a diphthong here and then tra here. So it means A is also out. Then we'll look at B. It looks so much like the phonetic symbol, but that's just spelling. It doesn't produce the sound ow. In fact, take note, spelling AU can never be pronounced as ow. It's hardly pronounced as ow. Take note of that. So don't be deceived that you will have the spelling AU giving you ow. No, it doesn't do that. So how do you pronounce this? It's taught. We have seen this word before. So it's not your answer. Now look at option C, cloud. We have the vowel in option C, cloud. Therefore, option C is our answer. Now we're taking question number 5. Now, if we start, let's start from D. Look at the word D, mal. Ordinarily, the R will have, usually it will have R after spelling A. It usually makes the vowel sound to be long R. But what happens here, it seems that the R here combines with this to produce this approximant. So it is not assumed to be part of the spelling A. And so the spelling A remains the short R sound, mal. So that can be our answer. Option C, obviously, is the short form of the given phonetic symbol. So C is also R. Now let's look at A and B. A and B seem to have the same spelling for the vowel sound, E-A-R, E-A-R, but pronounce them and see the difference. While A is learn, B is heart. So A has vowel number 11 and B has our answer. Alright, so what that means is that E-A-R has different sounds. The spelling E-A-R has different sounds. It can be pronounced as it can be pronounced as R depending on the word it appears in. Our answer once again is B. Answer once again is B to question number 5.